So I'm a fashion designer and I have nothing to wear for Valentine's Day, so I decided to use this beautiful fabric and just make my own outfit. I really wanted to do like a baby doll blouse, so this is what we're gonna do today. So what I'm gonna do is I use an old blouse because I don't have the time to make and do my own pattern, and I just take it apart and change the pattern. I just changed it to my liking because I wanted a more cute, long baby doll kind of blouse with a bit longer sleeves. So this is exactly what I did. I used the blouse and basically just changed the pattern. First you have to cut out every single piece and then you have to neaten the seams, and I use an overlock for that. We have to do this because we don't have any lining, we only have our main fabric. As you can see, I don't do every single seam, but you can do it. It's not wrong if you would do it. Also make a knot at every end of every seam because that way it's going to be secured. First step is we're going to sew both back parts together. Initially there are two parts because our back is not straight, it's kind of round. That's why the back is a little bit rounded. I'm also ironing on a fleece insert so the collar is more secure and strong. Then you have to iron every single piece and every single seam apart. Then I also attach the front parts to the back parts, which is sewing together the sides and also the shoulder parts. Also, every edge that you have that is kind of round, if you sew it together, you have to cut it down at least to 0.5 centimeters. So that way everything is gonna look better when you put it to the right side. I also have to ruffle the sleeves at the bottom and also at the top, and also the bottom part of my blouse. And then I just attach the little band from my sleeve to the ruffled part. Here you can see how I ruffle the bottom part. And then I really needed a matcha break. And here you can see this is the ruffled bottom, and I also attach every piece, which is the back part and also two front parts. Back to the sleeve, take the lower part of the sleeve, fold the edge over and sew in the stitch ditch from the front side to secure the sleeve seam from the inside. This way you won't see a seam from the outside, and the seam allowance on the inside will be neatly finished. It's a bit hard to explain, but I think you see and know what I mean. And then I attach the bottom parts from the top to the top part and make sure that everything matches. Then I insert the sleeves, and the same thing that I did with the sleeves, I did with the collar. I attached it, flipped it over, and then it looks very clean. I also do some additional steps to make it look more neat. And here I already made the buttonholes and flipped everything to its right place. Then I sew the collar in place and we're done. Time to try it on. Oh my god, it's cute! It fits! Ta-da! What do you guys think? I kind of think it looks like a little child dress, but still very cute.